Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nooie Cam Pro 2K security camera with Spotlight bundle. This is their 2-pack Pro bundle, so it should have our base station and cameras in here, and then they also sent out their solar panel to take a look at as well. I won't be able to set up the solar panel in its entirety, just because, I don't know if you guys noticed, but if you follow my YouTube shorts at all, you know I have a ankle injury right now, so I'm kind of limited on what I can do. But we're going to go ahead and set the cameras up and take a look at them. This pack, I believe, sells for about $210 to $250, depending on when you get it on Amazon. I do believe it is on sale right now. So just have a little nice hello here. Nice packaging, nice recycled cardboard look here. They do have a 30-day return policy, 24-hour customer support, and 6-month exchange or repair on their devices here. So it looks like right here we have a window sticker, so people know that you have 24/7 audio and video recording. Looks like maybe just some more stickers right there as well. And then right here in the middle we have our, this is your base, it looks like. And it looks like it is a plug-in, and it has an Ethernet down there as well, so it looks like you do have to plug that in with Ethernet. I can't tell if there's a speaker or something on the front here. There is a button, probably a pairing button right there. We'll of course get all that in the setup. But nice look here. Looks like you can probably insert a micro SD card on the side here. I'm guessing if you want to do local recording. And then we have your camera right here. So we do have that with the, looks like it is USB, micro USB right there on the back, so to charge the camera. Looks like it's going to be an internal battery. I don't see any external battery or anything like that. And then right here we have the mount. So that just sticks in there like so. It looks like you can do, looks like it has like a spot for a screw-on mount, and then this one just goes on like that. So we'll go ahead and take a look and see what else we get in here. Alright, so we do get an Ethernet cable, which is nice to see. And then right here we have, I'm guessing this is probably going to be a charging cable for them. Yep, so that is a cable right there for that. This is just screws and stuff for these right here for your mount. So your mount just slides in. Let's see. Mount just slides in like so, locks on there, and then of course you can adjust it on there as well. Again, I'm not going to be permanently affixing these to the wall or anything like that. I'm going to set them up, but they're just going to be sitting on the table. We got 2 of those, so 2 sets of that for everything. This cable does look like it is in a configuration to where you can plug this in while keeping the port protected. I do believe these, like, you know, they can go outside and stuff like that, obviously with the solar panel. So you're going to want to use a cable like that to keep them protected. Over here we have the other camera and another mount. I'm just going to leave that in there for right now. We're going to take a look at the solar panel and just see what you get for that. Here is the specifications. They are IP65 weatherproof, so obviously you can't submerge them or anything like that, but rain, splashes, that kind of stuff should be just fine. And they do have the power plug or solar panel option, 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi connection, integrated spotlight, 2K full HD resolution, motion detection, and color night vision with that spotlight. So I'm not sure if they, not sure exactly what, yeah, so this is a base station. It's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi base station. So I don't know if this is going to create its own, it looks like it's probably going to create its own network for these, and then be connected directly to your router via Ethernet. So that's what that looks like right there. And then right here we have the solar panel. Go ahead and take a look at this and see if it comes with anything special. we have, looks like the cable is permanently affixed to this. Got the solar panel right here, and then you just have your same end right here that you have on the camera, or on the cable for the camera, and you've got the mount right there, so you can wrap up any excess cable back here, and then there is your solar panel right there for that, and of course you can run that to your camera and keep it powered and charged up. Right here we have just your mounting hardware again. Right there is your mounting hardware. Again, I'm not going to be mounting the solar panel, but that is all included right there. So very, very nice. Very nice setup right there. Just going to stick that back down in there for right now. Like I said, I probably won't be able to test out the solar panel very much, but it is an option they do have for powering your outdoor cameras. If you want to mount it somewhere up high, you can do that without having to worry about having to take the camera down to recharge. So that is the Nooie Pro kit right there. That is what you get. The solar panel is optional. It was on Amazon for $49 when I checked. So they did include that for review, but it is a separate product. I'm going to get all this set up, and we'll go ahead and walk through the setup and see what is entailed with that. Give me one sec. Let me get my base station plugged in and get an Ethernet connection, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have the base station plugged into both power and Ethernet. So we're going to pop over here on my S23 Ultra and just download the Nooie app right here. So I'm going to get that downloaded. The camera right here, I'm going to go ahead and peel the little front thing off right there. I don't see any type of like power. Oh, there's a button right there. I'll go ahead and press that. I don't know if that turns it on or whatnot, if we may have to plug it in, but we'll see what kind of setup instructions we get here on the app. We'll go ahead and create an account real quick. So we're just going to select my location. And enter my email address. I'm doing all this real time for you guys. Alright, so we're just typing that in there. And I just have to get the code from my email. Alright, so I've got the verification code. Alright, I'm just going to create a quick password. Alright, so got the password created. And the light is flashing on the base station, so we're just going to skip that. We're going to go ahead and click add device here. And I don't see a base station option, so we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to do cable connection. So it looks like you can connect the base station via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So if you don't have excuse me, an Ethernet connection, you can do it Wi-Fi. But I did plug it in, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And it is flashing blue already. So we're going to turn on location. And we have to connect to its hotspot in the Wi-Fi settings. So let's see if that comes up. Alright, so what's that? Alright, so I'm just waiting on that to pop up. Don't see it popping up yet. Let's see, it still is. Ooh. It hasn't popped up yet. Let me check again. It is flashing blue. Let me just press the button real quick and see if that does anything. Alright, so I held the button down for a second. It did make a little tone. Still not getting anything on the setup yet. Alright, nothing's popping up for that. is flashing blue. Alright, let's try this. Let me check, let me try the Wi-Fi setup and just see. It may not be, it might be my network, it might not be actually connected. Alright, so it's searching for a device on Wi-Fi. It is definitely flashing blue. Alright, didn't find anything. I'm gonna go ahead, give me one sec, I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the network cable and restart it and try this again. Alright, so I unplugged the network cable, restarted it, and I got the setup Wi-Fi to connect, and then I plugged the cable back in and it paired. So got that all set up. We're going to now pair the camera right here. So it says to push the button on the base station once until the LED starts flashing blue every second. So we're going to go ahead and push that real quick. Alright, so it is flashing blue. We're going to go ahead and click next. And then we're going to press the button once and wait for the LED indicator to flash blue on the camera. May need to plug, oh, okay, it is flashing, it's white, let's see. Okay, it's flashing blue, and it made a noise. I don't know if that means it connected. I have a, it said it didn't connect, but it did, let's see. Alright, it's trying to connect to the camera. Alright, there we go. So that did connect. You can see we do have video right there. We can, not what I wanted to do. See, it does take a little bit to connect, which is kind of weird because the base station is right here and it's a wired connection. But we can turn the spotlight on. So there is the spotlight right there. Looks like it has an adjustable brightness. So 3-stage brightness on the light. So that's good if it's somewhere up close, you don't want it super bright. We do have time-stamped footage right there, so it does have the time stamp up there as well. Get your settings right here. So you can do, they do have storage on here. Like I said, it does look like you can put an SD card in the base station to do local recording as well. Let's see. So that is pretty nice. Of course, you can add your other camera up there. Yeah, so you can do a SD card right there. So you can see the location for the base station. I don't have one in there at the moment. You can record audio, turn that on or off. You can rotate the image, change the recording length, PIR detection. So you have all your settings there. It looks like if you subscribe to Nooie Plus, you can do human detection, face detection, package detection, vehicle, and animal detection. So you can do all that there. But you can do your PIR detection for free. So that's pretty nice. Got your night vision settings right here. You can do black and white with just your infrared. You can do spotlight night vision, so the spotlight will turn on when it detects motion. and you can do just turn it off. So pretty nice right there. And of course you can also use Amazon or a Google Assistant for third-party control if you want to look at this on your Echo or something like that. It is supported with that. Unfortunately, no HomeKit support, so you won't be able to see this in the Home app, and no HomeKit secure video or anything like that as well. The base station has a ringtone. Not exactly sure what it does. If maybe you can turn it on or off for like motion detection or whatnot, but I don't see anything in here necessarily about doing that. I just have the settings for the base station, ringtone volume, stuff like that. So I'm sure that's something you may be able to do, but I don't see anything in there. It looks like there is a update for the base station, so we're gonna go ahead and update that real quick while it's plugged in. But there we go. So it is downloading that update. But that is the Nooie Cam Pro. Again, this is the 2-pack. You get your solar panel as well if you want to add that. You just plug it into your camera. These do charge via micro USB, so you can leave them plugged in, or you can use the battery or top them off with the solar panel during the day. So a bunch of different options here. Again, Nooie Cam Pro, I will leave a link to this in the description below, where you can check them out on Amazon and the accessories as well. Thanks for watching. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.